Hey guys, welcome back to N.P. Detailing. Got another video for you. Today I'm in Nottingham, AJ Motorcycles, and I'm going to be cleaning two bikes, machine polish on two Fireblades, which are awesome looking bikes. So check it out. This is the first bike I'm doing. 59 plate Fireblade, awesome looking bike. Here's a good clean. Sorry about the background noise. Dead flies everywhere. It's a good old clean. Gonna be machine polishing the tank. Fairings. Get rid of all that grime and tar. And I'll show you the other bike. This is the other one. Very rare. Apparently before Honda went to Repsol, they went to Camel. And this is one of the very few in existence. So this is going to be machine polished, cleaned up. So yeah, sorry about the background tune, it's not my taste, but so yeah, I'm gonna watch this space. Don't forget, hit subscribe, notification bell, and also give us a comment if you like your bikes, like this video. Okay, so the bike's just been washed. A lot cleaner than before. Just got to go over it by hand now. Carbon clean. Okay, this is the Fireblade done. Cleaned, polished, and protected. here is the other bike, another Honda Fireblade, polished, cleaned and protected. This bike is a one of a kind, only one ever made. There you have it, another video done. N.P. Detailing. If you like your bikes, this is a video for you. Add a comment down below. Tell me what you think of the video. What do you think about the bikes as well? How they've come out. Don't forget, hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks to AJ Motorcycles for having me down, doing 2 bikes, 2 carbon cleans. Thanks for watching, guys.